How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. We have a very exciting video for you guys today. In front of me, we are taking delivery, or I've already taken delivery, of our brand new 2026 GMC Sierra Denali. And I'll give you guys a nice little walk around here in a second. This truck is beautiful, guys. As you can see, it is a Denali. So you have, the sparkling chrome in the sun. You walk around, you have the chrome wheels, chrome mirror caps. Just a beautiful truck, guys. And we have just taken delivery of this truck, brand new, off the lot. Very exciting video. Pretty much gonna walk through, the ins and outs of the truck, kind of just give you guys some features. Obviously you can see the color, and just walk through this beauty in front of me. As we take one more step back here, this truck, guys, is very, very nice. GMC did a very nice job on the Denalis. As you guys know, with our channel, we've only had AT4s. Now recently, just picked up this brand new Denali. We've also taken delivery not too long ago of our brand new 2026 Denali Ultimate as well. So let's give you guys the rundown on this 2026 GMC Sierra Denali in front of me. It has the 3-liter Duramax diesel because personally I think this is the best engine to put in these trucks if you guys daily drive them, simply because of fuel economy, as we've talked about in prior videos. But if you guys just look at this chrome grille, very, very nice. One of my favorite things about the Denali is how noticeable it is on the road. So if you guys are driving, you take one look at this truck or a Denali, you know it's a Denali by looking at the chrome mirror caps, chrome wheels, and your chrome grille, which goes really nice with the black that we got on the Denali here. We'll give you guys a run through of the specs. Like I said, 2026 GMC Sierra Denali. This is obviously Duramax with the standard bed. So if you guys don't know, GM comes with 3 different bed lengths. Well, I guess just 2 on the 1500s. You have your short bed, which we have on our AT4 and Denali Ultimate. And then you have the standard bed, which is a 6.5 foot bed, which is what we have here, which actually comes in handy if you guys are carrying longer items in your bed. But let's get into some of the features of this truck, and my favorite, the interior. So let's take a look at the interior here, guys, and I'll show you why it's my favorite. So as we open up the door to our 2026 Denali here, you guys can see just the attention to detail on this truck. You can see you have kind of the wood grain here, almost a mahogany color. If the camera picks it up. You drop down here, you can see you have a Denali logo in your door panel, which is very nice. All the stitching as well, just very classy and well done. Then you can see you have your Bose premium sound system. How could you not put that in a Denali? Also, you have your Denali accent down here. And then you take a look at these seats, guys. This is by far my favorite part of the Denali compared to the AT4 that I have, because you could see these are a little bit more padded and a little bit more comfortable, I would say, personally at least. But let's move on to the interior. You guys can see on the steering wheel here, we have the Denali logo. And as we take a step in, obviously you guys have your sunroof, which would come standard on all Denalis. You have your camera mirror, which is by this switch here. Obviously the tech package, fully loaded, guys. You have just a very, very nice and well done interior on this Denali, which you do pay for, which is just, incredible. And then we were debating color-wise for this truck, but honestly, I love the black with the chrome accents. I find it's very nice. For 2026 compared to the 2025s, not much has changed, I would say, in the look of the truck. You know, you have your same seat pockets as, you know, the other trucks, and your same seat storage under the seats. But I would say just a very nice looking truck. Like I said, the standard bed comes in handy. Again, went with the diesel. But guys, very, very happy with our 2026 GMC Sierra Denali. And my favorite has got to be the front end and the interior on this truck. In the sun, guys, you take a look, that chrome, when it's clean, you can't beat the black with the chrome combo. Just a huge fan of this front end. But if you guys were expecting this, which I doubt a lot of you were, let us know in the comments what you guys want to see us, you know, build with this truck, or kind of have a build around the Denali. Let us know what you guys want to see, and we will make some more in-depth videos on the Denali. This is just kind of an intro, but if you guys did enjoy this video and enjoy the truck, please drop a like. Also, don't forget to comment down below on what you guys think of the brand new Sierra Denali we just picked up. Please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. We will have a lot more content coming on this truck. So please subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.